Welcome to our Fun Kids channel, where animals talk, stories sparkle, and every day is a happy adventure.
Story of Rohan birthday celebration in school.
Mom, I'm ready for school.
Let me help you, sweetie.
Thanks, Mom.
There, all set. Here's a treat. Have a wonderful day at school, sweetie.
I will, Mom. Wow, birds. I can't wait to see my friends. Hey, over here. Hi, everyone.
Good morning, students. Welcome to our school assembly.
Good morning.
Let's begin. Students, we have a very special birthday to celebrate today.
Happy birthday to our friend in the front row. Thank you.
Alex, please come to the front.
Okay, go, Alex.
Show everyone your drawing. Here it is.
Wow.
Happy birthday, dear Ciela.
This cake is awesome. Yeah, and the chocolates. Here, try this one. Thanks, it's so yummy. This cake is awesome. Yeah, the best. Let's race to the swings. I'm winning.
Hey, everyone.
We have something for you.
Handmade cards and gifts.
And a friendship band.
Wow, thank you.